Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the clip and getting audio ready. First, import your media and create a sequence so Premiere recognizes the file. This also preserves timecodes. Next, make sure audio is labeled correctly. Apply the Essential Sound Dialog tag to boost clarity. Once done, normalize levels and remove obvious noise briefly, because speech-to-text accuracy depends on clean audio. Now select the sequence you want to transcribe. You're ready to invoke Premiere's transcription tools and move into the next step. You open the text panel and pick the correct sequence and language. This is critical for accuracy. Then choose the transcription model. Use Enhanced for clearer voices or noisy backgrounds because it applies better acoustic modeling. Click Transcribe and watch the progress. Premiere generates timestamps and confidence scores. Once complete, scan the transcript for misheard words and use the confidence highlights to find problem areas quickly. Make inline edits in the transcript. Correct names, punctuation, and speaker labels, so captions will be accurate when you export them. You now convert the transcript into captions. Choose Create Captions and set formatting, line length, reading speed, and caption track type, so viewers can read comfortably. Then place the caption clip on your timeline and scrub through, tightening durations and fixing overlap. Make sure speaker labels are clear if using multiple voices. Finally, export captions as SRT or embed them in the final video. If transcripts stall or show low accuracy, reprocess with a clipped high-quality WAV export of the audio, because cleaner input often fixes recognition errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.